Ever wondered what could possibly make a slow, steady tortoise beat a swift, agile rabbit in a race? Well, sit tight because we're about to unravel an enchanting tale that will surely leave you pondering. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a boisterous rabbit and a humble tortoise. The rabbit, known for his speed and agility, was the talk of the forest. On the other hand, the tortoise, slow and steady, was often overlooked. One sunny day, the rabbit, full of pride and arrogance, challenged the tortoise to a race. The tortoise, despite knowing the rabbit's impressive speed, accepted the challenge without a second thought. The forest dwellers were curious, wondering how the tortoise could possibly stand a chance against the swift rabbit. The race day arrived. The sun was shining brightly and the entire forest had come to witness this unusual spectacle. The rabbit dashed off the starting line, leaving the tortoise far behind in a cloud of dust. Meanwhile, the tortoise, unperturbed by the rabbit's speed, continued at his own pace. He moved forward one step at a time without any rush. The rabbit, on the other hand, confident about his lead, decided to take a short nap under a shady tree. Hours passed and the rabbit woke up to a shocking sight. The tortoise, with his slow and steady pace, had crossed the finish line. The forest dwellers cheered for the tortoise, who had proved that speed wasn't the only factor to win a race. The rabbit, filled with regret and disbelief, realized his mistake. So, what's the moral of our story? It's simple yet profound. Never underestimate anyone based on their speed or appearance. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. It's not always about how quickly you can get there, but the determination and consistency you have until the end. And for those who are quick and agile like our rabbit, remember that overconfidence can sometimes lead to downfall. It's important to respect every competitor, no matter how slow or fast they may be. That's the end of our enchanting tale today, but remember, every story carries a lesson. So, let's keep our minds open and our hearts ready to learn.